Okay. All right, this video is going to get a lot of interruptions, so I'm going to have patience. So the problem is the antenna cable is damaged. Our new assistant here has damaged it. He's not taking responsibility. No, I don't know what happened. I was having a look at it, and then it just came into my hand. So, as we know, the cable is made up of two layers. So we're gonna see if we can do anything about it. Okay, let's cut off. Yeah. Okay. I've got here a cable that I've cut off of a LCD screen. You okay, Harry? Okay, so here we can see the actual design of the cable. There we go. That's the wire, that's the antenna, and that's the outer shield. Hannah, please, out, please. Hannah, I don't want chickens in the work, please. You found it? Huh? Could you send me that WhatsApp, that link? Can you open that product link? Thanks, man. Jeez, how am I gonna find that? Is there a customer or is that just traffic outside? Thank you. Thanks, mate. I never heard that cable before.
Some guy mentioned it in a Reddit forum.
No way. Reddit, huh? Reddit is amazing, man. How am I gonna do this, man? So this is a cable within a cable. And can you check a website called Mouser, Mouser? We're doing two jobs at once, so you'll hear me talking about other jobs. Mouser, you see, you found it?
Yeah.
So that website sells all electronic components. Can you find that cable or that connector? Anything along those lines? Guys, no chickens here. Doesn't have anything along those lines? Come on, man, you gotta find it. Or the other website is DigiKey, DigiKey.
Bunch of places sell it, but it's that to USB-A.
USB-A.
The UC-E6 to USB-A.
See, what we want is the male end. If we can cut that off and join with the wire, and we're done.
This
Yeah.
bunch of places sell it. This is Amazon.
Can you find it on Australian sellers? Anyone selling on eBay Australia?
eBay.
Yeah.
Big W even sells it.
Say it again, please.
Big W did
They've got it. Big W.
Yeah.
Big W.
Yeah. This is Nikon UC-E6. Nikon I think uses the same one.
All right. Can you send me that link? No way. Big W has that cable.
I sent you the UC-E6 link. If you click shopping, all these come up.
Okay. You okay, Anna? All right. Now, how do I do this? I need to somehow.
eBay has it too.
eBay. Okay, great. All right, that should make my life easier. But I need to see if I can do it. Yeah. Man, how am I gonna do this? I need to do tiniest of wiring. Okay. We need steady hands. Have you seen these? Really, really cool. So we can mount this here. So we need to apply like the smallest amount of solder, and not end of this wire, but it's like the tip, tiny tip. I'll show you. Okay, let's hold it there. Where are you, cable? Yeah. See, see, the antenna wire is made up of two wires. Outer one gives it its shield. Arthur, could you open some water for him? Where are you, Arthur? Huh? What happened? Where is it? Okay. All right, here we go. So this is the tricky soldering, man. So here, we need this. This is the top quality one, so flux. Okay. So I'm gonna apply a little bit on the tip of that. Okay. And then, so this is the tiny tip, but it's already 390 degrees. I just took it off. 390.
How much does that cost?
That one I bought second hand, but I think it's about 500 ish. Yeah. Okay. But this is one end. I'm going to join the other end, and then we have to make the cable strong. Okay. So what we want to do, make it. So we're going to melt the plastic a little bit. Okay. Kind of. Melt. There we go. See the wire exposed? Okay, that's it. That's going to be one end. Okay, this is the other end. Now we're going to do the similar thing. And we're going to somehow cover it so that the outside wire won't touch the inside wire. How are you going to do that? There we go. Let's melt the plastic.
Are you gonna replace with a new antenna?
I'm not replacing the cable. I've cut the broken end.
And if it's Christmas, can you tie this one?
What?
Well, when it's Christmas, can you tie this one?
Sure, no problem, man. But you need to put it back there, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Okay, so now we gotta attach the other end here somehow. Okay, that's what we gotta join. Hey, Arda, you can look up the chickens, or they're gonna look you up. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this somehow. Okay, let's try this. Okay, looks like we did it. No way. Okay, first go. Oh, okay, put some glue. Okay. Yeah, mate.
Red one was outside the neighbor's house.
Sorry, say that again.
The barking red chicken to the neighbor's house.
All right, we're gonna assume this is good. Okay, what we'll do, we'll put a shrink tube around it. Do you know this stuff? Shrink tube?
Oh yeah, is that for the cable? Like it adds an exterior for the cable.
Yeah, yeah. And then you heat it up and then it melts.
Yeah.
And then just sticks on. Yeah. Put that on to improve the cable quality. So just like that.
Do you know what a subathon is? Have you heard of that?
Could you say that again?
Have you heard of what a subathon is?
A what?
Subathon.
Subathon.
Yeah.
No. What is it?
It's like this thing that Twitch streamers do.
Yeah.
Like if they're big, they usually do a subathon. And you know what subscribers are on TikTok on Twitch?
They pay money to watch it or to support it?
Basically, you pay like you get like $10 or something,
Yeah.
$10.
Yeah.
And only for 1 month.
Yeah.
You basically subscribe. You can watch them with like no ads and stuff.
Oh, gotcha. Okay,
So
gotcha.
you're basically like helping that streamer out.
Yeah.
And then with subathon, what they usually do is once someone subs, they add like 10 seconds extra to a timer. And if that timer reaches 0, they end the stream.
Oh, so you have to keep topping it.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I
But
see.
like these big streamers, like for example, this is the biggest streamer on Twitch. He's doing one currently, but he's doing a 30-day limit because like it's obviously gonna be 30 days because he's so popular. And like the thing is like he started beginning of this month, it's gonna end at the end.
Yeah.
And he's reached 300 and like something thousand subscribers.
No way.
Like the most ever. So
Wow.
there's 350,000 people paying him $10 just this month.
Wow. Nice.
And that's just from subs alone.
Wow. Look at the revenue.
But the thing is, he's live 24/7.
That
And
sucks, man.
He's got a full like production team with cameras all around his house. So
Wow.
whenever he goes to a room, it's pointing the cameras pointed at him.
That's sad, man.
But like every day he's doing something new. He has like friends. He hired a big mansion. He's got like a bunch of people in it.
Well, you will need to keep busy somehow.
Yeah, he has to.
Wow. That's crazy, bro. I was watching streamers on TikTok, and they're on it so long that they're going to sleep, and they're like,
He sleeps online. He showers online and everything.
"What? Wow, man, that's like Big Brother." Wow, that's sad, man. Anyway, but I know I hope my kids don't do that.
Like if I go on right now, it'll be streaming.
But you just see ad because you didn't pay.
Huh?
You'll see ad because you didn't pay.
Every like hour or 30 minutes, he'll put like 6 ads that are like 30 seconds long.
Wow.
Like he's got 127,000 viewers right now.
My
And he's
goodness.
just playing a random game.
Wow.
Sometimes I go on and he's just sleeping. And there's like 100,000 people watching.
Do people feel sad?
No.
They like
This
to
is
see
his
them
second
suffer?
one. He's not like suffering because like he's always like bringing new people on every day. Something new.
So it's like a challenge, huh, in a way?
Yeah.
Or, okay.
He's constant like content making.
But he has to keep you entertained, yeah, to
Yeah.
watch it.
It's like very mentally tiring.
Does he do anything stupid? Like,
Sometimes.
yeah. Wow. But yeah, it's like a jail, man. Well, it's a job in a way, isn't it?
Yeah. Like we're making like just this month from just that live stream like a couple million.
Wow. But yeah. Nah, man. Not something I can imagine anyone really doing and still be mentally okay. Wow. In a way, good on him. It's very difficult to organize so much stuff, like people, activities, and it's all pre-planned, you know. See, I didn't want to do this yet until everything was complete. Now I can assume just the thermal paste.
It's not PDF.
Really, I can't believe it, man. I mean, you just had the operating system, right? We cleaned the hard drive. It was a clean SSD. So why is it taking so long? Yeah.
What if it's like frozen?
Oh no, I doubt it is. I think it's checking file system maybe for errors, maybe. The program is very accurate. Rubbish is somewhere else. If you move your mouse over just this guy, normally I check if it's moved over. Just moved? Yeah, because you're looking at it. He's watching you through the camera. Quick, guys, he's watching! Okay, let me pour all this out here. See all this dry thermal paste? It doesn't do anything. It just separates the copper from the die, the CPU and GPU, and gets bloody hot. Has to be like a little bit wet. Okay. Not that quickly. I don't know why this one has dried up so quickly. I'm gonna put some thermal paste pads as well on these coils. Ladies have makeup. This is computers makeup.
What if you drop like something metal on the motherboard while the battery?
It depends where you plug you do it. Like there's always voltage waiting to supply. It's like standby voltages. And then whatever the voltage of the battery is or charger, the screen connector, for example, here, that voltage is always there. Like if it's 12 volts, it's always there. Same if the charger you connected, it's off, 19 volts still there. People think, oh yeah, it's off. I can just touch, do things. No,
Do I
don't.
have to wait like 20 minutes or something for the thing to drain out?
That's if you disconnect this guy, um, nah, it's fine because there are those components that are in standby. They start using that power, whatever is there. They're draining it already. Okay. And this laptop, the only thing that was wrong with it, I'll show you. One tiny component called capacitor. See that one? I replaced.
Yeah.
That's it. That tiny thing got the whole laptop failing.
Is that for the power?
Yeah, 19-volt power was shorted to ground. That's what it means. Where's my
I just figure out that was the problem.
how?
Yeah.
I'll teach you next time we get a job like that. Basically, when you connect the charger on the multimeter, I can see it doing this like coming, going very fast. You can't really see. The voltage is not staying normal. You wonder why is it not staying normal? What's wrong? What's happening is it's supplying power and then motherboard goes, nah, stop. Give power, not stop. Give power, not stop, non-stop. And then there's a problem on the power line. These are the easiest fixes. If you get them, you're like, yep, I'm happy to do all repairs all day long, just like that. But no, you don't get that all the time.
Do these ASUS laptops cause the most issues?
Hmm?
Do these ASUS laptops cause the most issues?
You mean ASUS laptops have most of the problems?
Yeah.
Not really. Like I see this issue on just about any brand, even those high-end Razer ones. They're the worst. When they fail, they're like completely fail. I did a CPU job on one Razer. I replaced the AMD CPU like that.
Can you even replace those?
Difficult, and I can.
Don't they like have to recognize it or something?
Yeah, difficult. It's a big gamble because you don't know if the CPU you bought is working or not. How are you gonna tell without installing it, right? And once you install it, they say, "Oh, you already installed it. There's no warranty. All the bolts underneath you that you soldered it on. You did the bad job. It's your fault." So we tell the customer there's that risk they have to take. If it doesn't work, it's gonna cost you something. If it does work, it's gonna cost you something. If it doesn't work, it's gonna cost you something. So not everybody goes ahead. But that other customer, Reza, he said, yeah, he'll take a risk, and it paid off. Yeah. Cost him 990, but it's a $4,000 machine. $1,000 is nothing. If it if it
Upgrade or just fix it?
I'll replace the CPU. I can't put a different CPU.
Oh, it has to be the same one.
Yeah, Razer doesn't release schematics to tell us what it's compatible with.
Can't people figure it out?
Hmm?
Can't people like figure it out?
They do. So they what they do, they get another motherboard, same one, which have a different CPU, and they take clear high resolution photo. They will see what components are moved around because you need to move some resistors, some components around to tell. That's how the motherboard knows what CPU have I got. It checks certain resistors in certain location. It goes, oh yeah, that's this CPU, and I should give that voltage. It's all in the design. If you look at schematics, it will tell you. And Razer is the worst, man. They don't release any documentation. Nothing. They won't even sell you a battery or a fan. Nothing.
They just want them to fix it.
They don't want you to fix it. Or they want to fix it themselves, but they charge $2,000. $2,000, bro. And they don't fix it. They give you another motherboard which has the same potential problem. You end up with another dead computer down the track. I think this is done. So, okay. Now you're gonna have to take some photos and sell this one too. Gee, it's still going. All right. Okay, we're good. Okay, we'll wait for the cloning to finish and then we'll test the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see if this guy works. We clone the original one that was in here. I think I took out the screw. Well, let's try. I don't remember the color. Okay, let's see if she boots. Remember this one? There we go. Okay, moment of truth. Also, the hinge was a little bit broken. I fixed that too. So many things are wrong, man. Okay, come on, mate. You can do. Show us what you got. If it boots, then yeah. But battery was low as well. Hopefully, you won't complain. Boot, boot, boot. Nah.
Do you have to save it? Did it?
It's sold as 32 gig F7.
Did it not work?
NVMe configuration. Let me check. See, it's sold as a 32 gig Intel. Jesus. AHCI. Nah. How can I show it as a 32 gig Intel?
then try it again.
Well, then you have to do all the operating system and everything again. I'd rather you don't do all that, all the work again.
No, like wipe that 1 terabyte back on.
Then it will work.
Because it's already on the same thing's already on the 1 terabyte, isn't it?
Yeah, you mean wipe this?
Wipe that and then try putting it again. I repeat what we did.
No, what do you mean? Sorry, man. You mean put the 1 terabyte back here?
No. Wipe this one
Yes.
and then retry what we did.
Oh, I'm sure we did okay. It was 512. I think it's the motherboard is detecting it as.
Something wrong with the SSD.
This is like two SSD in one. It's like 32 gig and a 512 gig. It's missing some Intel drivers. Okay, let me. Okay, so now we're back. Hopefully, we can now test the Wi-Fi out. Yes, okay. We'll give it a proper official clean tomorrow, so this can go on sale. So we fixed. What did we fix with this guy? We fixed the button, put a new button. The mechanism behind it was damaged. Fixed one side of the hinge. The 19-volt power rail was shorted. CPU, GPU, new thermal paste applied. Battery was gone, put a replacement battery. Um, Installed a new SSD, Windows 11, all the essential drivers. So that should be it with this guy. Wonderful. This guy, this video has too many interruptions. It's crazy. So here, Wi-Fi, sure can do. Connect amigo, sure can do. We should get about 50 megabits, I believe, once it's online. Yep. Yeah, pretty damn good. So before it will not even connect, it will just keep cutting out. We can see all the Wi-Fi's around here. Wonderful. So this is good news. We'll consider this as a fix. The OS manager. So the Wi-Fi cable has two cables in it. So anyway, this has been a really long video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.